Hey, hey. Today, I wanted to share something with you. I'm diving into a special coloring book gifted to me by my mom. I think she picked this one because a mother hen does not play about her chicks. If you've been following along with me on my journey, you know that I've really been into watercolors. I've tried different techniques, but today I'm doing a dry on dry method, and I'll be combining my watercolor pencils that I found at my local art supply store, Prismacolor, and Crayola. In this mixed media piece, I decided to pick some colors I think that she would like. She is a huge fan of magenta and fuchsia, so anything in the pink and purple family, that's what I'm choosing for today. So stay tuned and see how this mother hen turns out. So I decided to start off with the Crayola pencil first, simply because I loved that shade of pink. But right here, this is a watercolor pencil. And quite honestly, I love this shade of pink as well. But let me describe the feel of it. Obviously, they both have great color, but if you want it to be vibrant, you have to increase the pressure. I found that to be the case with Prismacolor as well. So with all that in mind, I'm wondering how all of this is going to turn out. So as this coloring page starts to take shape and these blues, purples, and pinks really start to pop out, I'll tell you a little story. This is when I was younger. I had to be under 10 years old, and I was visiting my family for the summer. My grandfather had some chickens in the backyard, and because I'm nosy, I found out that he was moving them from one chicken coop to another. Anything that I saw him do, I wanted to try it. So when he asked if I wanted to help, I said yes. Now, mind you, I was not a country girl. I was raised in the city, so I did not know what I was getting myself into. Now remember, I did say this was summer, and that southern country heat is no joke. And I will tell you that chickens and heat, they do not smell good. So can you imagine a smelly, angry chicken and my grandfather saying, "Here you go, hold it by the feet"? I think you already know what happened. The combination of that smell and that bird flapping its wings, that was it for me. I dropped it so fast, and it went one way and I ran the other. Who knew that coloring would bring back such a great memory? So I will say, I do see this coming together. I'll have to admit it has been a little challenging. I had to work on building my foundation, and then I had to decide what pencil is going to give me the depth and richness that I was looking for. Do you have any experience using the dry on dry method? Are there any art brands that I should try? I'd really like to hear your experience and let me know any tips that you might have. Feel free to share with me in the comments below. So this coloring book has been a delightful journey. One page down and many more to come. I have to admit that I was wrong. It was a lot easier than I thought to blend watercolor pencils and traditional pencils together. I do feel like each stroke brought this page to life. And now it's your turn. Do you have any colored pencils laying around the house? Why don't you grab those markers out of that drawer? I know you have some paper somewhere. Grab your favorite tools and let your imagination soar. Well, that's a wrap. It's so satisfying to see a finished product. Remember, there's no mistakes in art. All right, let me go and get back to the drawing board.